Hi, Rosies. I'm Ro,
And I'm Z.
and today we're going to do an unboxing of the Fantasmagory of Louis Vuitton perfume.
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 Mm-hmm.
Stay tuned. I'm excited.
Me too.
Hi, Rosies. We're back, and we have the box. I haven't opened it. This was delivered by UPS, and I have to sign for it.
Okay.
Okay. In my box. You open in my box.
I want to see. Damn. Oh, y'all need to see this. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Jeez.
Oh, wow.
Y'all see this?
Oh,
Wow. Oh wow. I've never gotten anything Louis before, still. We gotta we gotta take this out. We gotta take
oh,
This is impressive, y'all. Look at that. Okay, I never gotten anything Louis in the mail.
me neither. This
We
all this our first time.
this is and I'm so happy I get to spend the first time receiving a Louis with you. This is impressive, y'all.
Okay, so this should be a sample of the perfume
Oh,
because if I don't like it, I can return it.
oh, so we can't open this?
If I like it, I'll open it.
Okay, so
So let's. You want to spray it
I want
first?
to spray first. So if she likes it, we keep it and could we open it and show it to them how it looks if you like it?
Yeah, yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
okay. All right, so we'll put this aside.
All right. So this is a sample.
Okay. I already have my 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 spray tester thing.
Oh,
What's your in it?
that's not. Oh, it's not. Oh, so I'm sorry, y'all. I thought they said it was going to send me a perfume with the sample. But anyway, this right here is what lipstick. Yeah,
Yes. It's
and
Le Butte.
Le Beau. Oh,
La
okay.
Butte. So that okay, so we go open the box.
Get into the box. Yeah, I don't really care about the lips. Thank you.
Thank you for the sample, but we didn't. Oh, if you sending it to a gift for somebody, you include this card.
Oh, that's pretty.
Yes, and you
Nice.
put it in here.
Okay.
Okay. Well, we should look at how the Louis Vuitton thing there. Girl, this is listen. Show them. There's that
go.
emblem there.
Here we go. Oh, oh, there goes a sample.
They send you two.
So they sent me two. This one is Ures de Absinthe, and then this is Fantasmagory. So this is the sample.
Okay, and this is just something to try.
Right.
Okay.
So let's try this. Let's try the
Okay.
sample.
Okay. Let's try the sample.
You ready?
Yes.
Okay, so the notes are vanilla,
Ginger. I saw ginger on there.
ginger, and almond.
Okay.
I already smell it.
I love it.
I love it.
I love it.
Y'all, this is,
You smell the vanilla. You smell the almond.
you smell the almond. Now, okay, so since I know I'm gonna keep it,
Oh, girl. This is, it's very elegant.
it's refined.
Refined. That's the word, Rocio. It's very refined.
Okay, so let's show them the bottle. Oh, wow.
Wow. This isn't.
It's in this box, and they put it there. Oh wow.
I'm gonna tell you this: the presentation for Louis
It's on point.
on point.
A plus. We love it. Okay.
What? This is something. Did you guys see that?
No, that's one thing that they were saying, that this don't stay on. It has a
Oh,
magnet, but it's really easy to
come on.
come off. So they said not to hold it,
Like, oh,
not to
okay.
hold it by the
By the
stem,
by the
because
cap.
it's supposed to be a flower. It's supposed to represent like a flower.
I don't know what flower it representing, but okay.
So we can't hold it. We have to hold it through the side.
Oh, girl, this
Okay.
is.
So if you remember that,
Mm.
y'all, because you hold this, that's $600 gone.
Oh, so we got to talk about the price.
Okay, so the price.
I smell the ginger now. Okay, go ahead. Sorry.
You, I do.
I smell it.
This is a year-round perfume.
It is. This is an office perfume and it
It is.
lingers. I smell that sweet almond. The vanilla brings it down. The vanilla tempers it.
It tempers it.
Oh, girl. Mhm. I can't do $600, Rocio. I'm gonna be honest. It smells good though, but I can't cough up that kind of money for Louis. How many ounces is this?
It's 100 ml.
What's
So
it?
that's like 3 ounces.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, 3.4.
3.4 ounces. I can't do it.
I couldn't do it. It smells good.
You could use this for work, but for $600, this is to me an evening out
With a date,
with a date.
dinner.
And it's not a forgettable scent. So you know some scents that you could just put on and you forgot what it smelled like it's not memorable.
Yeah,
This is memorable.
I love it.
Yeah, I smell that. I smell that vanilla at the end.
Well,
That
you could keep
finish.
the
Oh, thank you.
keep the sample.
Okay. So we're gonna try the other one.
Oh,
Oh, so I need my other
I
sticks
don't even
here.
know. I just picked it out because this one is
Dap sense.
Ures de
Ures.
absinthe.
Okay, so I can't speak French,
Yeah.
but we're gonna put it right here so y'all could see it.
Yeah, there you go.
There. Okay.
You have another one?
Yeah. Here. No.
No. Hated it.
No. 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 It doesn't even. No. Don't waste $600 on this, y'all. Yes. No. No. It's like no.
Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video.